What is immunity? How body works against different antigens, pathogens. Every second of your life, you are under attack. Bacteria, viruses, spores, and more living stuff wants to enter your body and use its resources for itself. The immune system is a powerful army of cells that fights like a T-Rex on speed and sacrifices itself for your survival. Without it, you would die in no time. So, what is this immune system and how does it work? Well, watch this video till the end and you will know the answer to these questions. So, without any further ado, let's begin the video. But before we get started, make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to never miss any interesting video from us. Having said that, let's get into the video. What is the immune system? The immune system is the body's defense against foreign things. The immune system attacks germs and helps keep us healthy. This system is a network of complex biological processes that work in harmony to protect us. It detects and responds to a wide variety of pathogens, from viruses to parasitic worms, as well as cancer cells and objects such as wood splinters, distinguishing them from the organism's own healthy tissue. Parts of the immune system? Many cells and organs work together to protect the body. White blood cells, also called leukocytes, play an important role in the immune system. Some types of white blood cells, called phagocytes, chew up invading organisms. Others, called lymphocytes, help the body remember the invaders and destroy them. One type of phagocyte is the neutrophil, which fights bacteria. When someone might have a bacterial infection, doctors could order a blood test to see if it causes the body to have lots of neutrophils. Other types of phagocytes do their own jobs to make sure that the body responds to invaders. Two kinds of lymphocytes are B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes. Lymphocytes start out in the bone marrow and either stay there and mature into B cells or go to the thymus gland to mature into T cells. B lymphocytes are like the body's military intelligence system. They find their targets and send defenses to lock onto them. T cells are like the soldiers. They destroy the invaders that the intelligence system finds. Now that you guys have a vague idea about what the immune system is, let's see, how does it work? How does the immune system work? When the body senses foreign substances, called antigens, the immune system works to recognize the antigens and get rid of them. B lymphocytes are triggered to make antibodies, also called immunoglobulins. These proteins attach to specific antigens. After they're made, antibodies usually stay in our bodies in case we have to fight the same germ again. That's why someone who gets sick with a disease, like chickenpox, usually won't get sick from it again. This is also how immunizations, vaccines, prevent some diseases. An immunization introduces the body to an antigen in a way that doesn't make someone sick. But it does let the body make antibodies that will protect the person from future attack by the germ. Although antibodies can recognize an antigen and lock onto it, they can't destroy it without help. That's where T cells come to the play. They destroy antigens tagged by antibodies or other cells that are infected or somehow changed. Some T cells are actually called killer cells. T cells also help signal other cells, like phagocytes, to do their jobs. Types of immunity. Immunity can be of different types, and human body is equipped with 3 different types of immunities, which are innate immunity. Everyone is born with innate or natural immunity, a type of general protection. For example, the skin acts as a barrier to block germs from entering the body, and the immune system recognizes when some invaders are foreign and could be dangerous. Adaptive immunity. Adaptive or active immunity develops throughout our lives. The cornerstone of our adaptive immune system is the ability to remember our past infections. In doing so, it can respond faster and in a more targeted manner when we encounter the same pathogen multiple times. Quite literally, if it doesn't kill you, it makes your immune system stronger. Vaccines exploit this modus operandi, providing immune cells with the memories without the risk of infection. Passive immunity. Passive immunity is borrowed from another source, and it lasts for a short time. For example, antibodies in a mother's breast milk give a baby temporary immunity to diseases the mother has been exposed to. What happens if your immune system stops working? Sometimes a person's immune system does not work properly. This can result from immune deficiencies present at birth. medications that suppress the immune system, like steroids, unnecessary or overzealous immune responses, such as allergies or immune responses to oneself, called autoimmunity. One of the amazing aspects of the immune system is that it is compensatory, meaning that when one part is weak or non-functional, typically another part can step in. Think of it like a trip to the grocery store. If you need to go to the store, but your tire is flat, you may go by another method of transportation, another motor vehicle, a bicycle, or walking. The substitute may or may not be as efficient, but it still allows you to complete your task. The same is true of the cells and proteins of our immune system. Most jobs of the immune system can be done by more than one part of the immune system, although some parts are better at certain jobs than others. Dysfunction of the immune system can cause autoimmune diseases, inflammatory diseases, and cancer. Immunodeficiency occurs when the immune system is less active than normal, resulting in recurring and life-threatening infections. In humans, immunodeficiency can be the result of a genetic disease, such as acquired conditions such as HIV/AIDS, or the use of immunosuppressive medication. Autoimmunity results from a hyperactive immune system attacking normal tissues as if they were foreign organisms. Common autoimmune diseases include rheumatoid arthritis, diabetes mellitus type 1, and systemic lupus erythematosus. What do you think about these reasons? Write your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Lastly, finally, do not forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more amazing videos like this one.